Americans often struggle with symptoms like cold hands and feet, low body temperature, sensitivity to a cold, constant feeling of chilliness, headaches, insomnia, dry skin, puffy eyes, hair loss, brittle nails, joint pain, constipation, mental dullness, fatigue, frequent infections, hoarse voice, ringing in the ears, dizziness, loss of libido, and weight gain, which in some cases is uncontrollable. About 65% of the population is overweight, and 27% of all Americans are clinically obese. Scientists say that poor thyroid function could be the #1 cause of weight gain, especially in women. Coconut oil is saturated and stable, and unrefined coconut oil should be used within 3 to 5 years if kept at room temperature. It does not burden the body with additional oxidative stress, as vegetable oils do. Coconut oil does not cause oxidative stress common for vegetable oils. This comes not only because it is stable, but also because the body absorbs it in a different way, unlike long-chain fatty acids, which require enzyme-dependent processes. Oxidized and rancid oils cause cell membrane damage that mostly affects the liver. Since the conversion of T4 to T3 also takes place in the liver, replacing long-chain fatty acids from the diet with medium-chain fatty acids contained in coconut oil can rebuild cell membranes and increase enzyme production that will promote the conversion of T4 to T3 hormones. However, this requires more thorough scientific research, but switching from polyunsaturated oil to coconut oil provides many positive results. Donna has experienced significant improvement in her thyroid function. She explains, "I've been on coconut oil since September 2002 and, although that doesn't seem like long, it has changed my life and the lives of my family and friends. My weight actually went up when I started on coconut oil, but I felt so great. Being hypothyroid, I was on Thyroid and Cytomel and had been for years, but with inconsistent results and feeling worse. Other changes besides the addition of coconut oil were the complete removal of soy, and that is a major challenge in itself. All trans fatty acids, no refined sugar, and organ cleanse seasonally. My thyroid meds were discontinued my doctor's knowledge as I was getting too energetic and having trouble sleeping. Imagine, from being a sleepaholic couch potato that was cold. My weight stayed steady until the last 3 weeks and it has now started the downward move. My goal was health and just believe the weight would come off when I found the right diet and exercise routine that my life was comfortable with. I've tried removing the coconut oil but my energy drops and I don't feel as good.